Hi, I'm Daniel Hernandez, and I am a Space Exploration Analog Project Manager here at NASA. An analog is an opportunity for scientists and engineers to expand and explore their understanding of a particular environment or particular set of science-based projects before we actually introduce them into a real-life scenario. CHAPEA is a Mars-forward analog, specifically focused on what we call the surface segment of a Mars mission. And that's where our Mars astronauts would be living on the surface of Mars. We're performing this particular project because we are wanting to make sure that we're getting ready and we are prepared for long-duration exploration type missions, like the Moon and even Mars. The significance of CHAPEA is that we have a crew that is living in isolation and confinement for the duration of a year, and we hope to understand the different crew dynamics, the behavior, health, and performance of those crew members while they are living in a long-term, isolated and confined environment with a level of resource restrictions. But we also have a common space or our galley area where crew would commonly meet there for downtime, or that's where they have their meals. And then the largest part of our habitat is really the workroom space. And so this is where crew spends really a large amount of their time throughout the course of the mission, where they are performing different tasks and activities that we would expect a Mars crew to perform. That's everything from growing crops to performing science and engineering activities to even exploring our simulated Martian environment as EVAs or extravehicular activities. This